Oh. Oh. Ooh.
Any thoughts?
What's your refund policy?
I'm giving it away for free.
What if I find the appliance to be performing at a subpar standard and wish to bring it back? Will you cover my time and petrol for the hassle?
No. Obviously, no.
Not even a Boots voucher? As a gesture of goodwill for the inconvenience.
Look, Kiefer.
Kiefer.
That's what I said.
You said Kiefer. My name is Kiefer.
Oh, see. Sorry. Just sounds a bit made up.
All names are made up.
Fair point. Do you want the fridge or not?
Why do you want rid of such a sturdy appliance? Has she not served you well?
Well, it's a pretty old fridge, so I just fancied an upgrade.
Oh! Please forgive me, I've just assumed the gender of your appliance.
You are forgiven?
I'm so sorry. For God's sake, Keitha, it's 2024. How should I address the appliance?
She is fine. Those are the correct pronouns for my fridge. I've just decided. For her. Now.
You've decided for her?
Yeah. Because she's a fridge.
Good God, she's had a tough life. I'll take her. She's rough around the edges, but it's what's inside that matters.
A frozen quiche.
Her feelings.
Would love it if you left my house now, Kiefer.
Huh?
Fuck off.
Ugh.